welcome to day 2 of our sisterly visit. So today we are going to be preparing native rice and stew. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's go. What's that? Come here. Come. Such a big eba. Oh, I'm a donkey song. I'm a donkey song. Huh? Nigeria, man, runway. Are you sure it's clean? Yes, she should have been clean. Nunca vi na relation na ro pa because go complain kon pa na kya rugbene. Jẹ́ kí wá mu. Ìyẹn bá piyan.